Come on, Mommy said for you to eat your fruit. No, you're not my mommy. Come on. No. Come on. Come on, eat your fruit. No. Bitch, eat your fruit. Eat your fruit. Stop. Eat your fruit. Eat it. Eat it. You're not mommy. You're not. Mom, this is good. Ow, my foot! Okay. I told you, Daddy. You gotta eat your fruit. No. No. Mess up the pot. Darn. Give me your hands. No! Mommy! Mommy! Mom! No! Mama! I'm sorry. Please. No! No! What are you doing? Eat your fucking fruits. No! I won't. Eat it. Come on. No. Eat your fruit. No. Eat it. I don't like it. I don't like it. No, I won't eat it. No. You can't make me. No. I don't eat it. I don't. Chew it. Nice and chewy. Oh. Ew. No. You know what? I won't. I will chew eat your fucking fruit. Eat it! Eat the fruit, kick your ass, and stab you in the throat. Okay. Okay. Show me. No, say it louder. Come on. So good. Oh. Say it louder. I love it. I love it. Louder. No! Okay, it's so good! Mommy! So good! One more. Wouldn't touch you. So yummy! So yummy. Come on. Come on the camera. Wanna go? Sure. I normally don't like grapes, but these are actually pretty good. Yeah. Give us more ideas. What? Peace out.